Now what I am going to do is add one of these to this. So that means I need to take all this completely off. What I'm going to end up doing, once I finally test fit the right shoulder, is I'm going to go ahead and duct tape this with some, if you see there, that is some T-Rex tape. Just tape it around this area, along with, well, not with this one, but just the end here, so that way this won't, this is not really going to go anywhere, but then again, it just looks a little not neat. So, this will come out just nicely, but we are basically done.